Hello, friend. Myself, Sanjeev Dwivedi, and on behalf of Vidyalankar Institute of Technology, I welcome you all in this Java session. In this session, we are going to see two examples on applet. With this, we will understand, how we can pass parameters to the applet and how we can use different methods. We used only one drawstring, and there are many more, and we'll see and understand them through program. Fine. Now, in this particular program, let's see. In this particular program, we will be learning how to pass parameter to the applet. So here we have imported the desired packages AWT and applet, and we use that applet code equal to the name of the classes applet program width and height. Now these are two tags. These are two applet tags, applet HTML tags through which we can pass parameters. Every time you want a parameter, you need to use a tag param. The name is the name of the parameter. The first parameter name is string1 and the value param. Second parameter I'm passing name is string2. So string2 is the name of the parameter and applet is the value of the parameter. So we can pass many such parameters. We should assign name to the parameter and we should assign value to the parameter. So what I would like to do is I would like to extract the value and display the value of these parameters. Okay? So I'm concatenating them. So we declared one string that will be concatenating string1 and string2 values. In INIT, as soon as my applet is loaded for execution, my applet will be initialized and it will call INIT method. So now we have assigned values to our parameter like applet, string2, and so on. So I want to extract the value. So in INIT, as soon as my applet is initialized, I'm going to invoke a function get parameter and I'll be passing parameter name to it. So get parameter string1, it will extract the value of string1 and you concatenate it with get parameter string2, it will extract the value of string2 and concatenating it will generate one string str1. And in paint method, I want to display it in my status bar. Okay, at the end, at the bottom of the applet. So now if you want to display something at the bottom of the applet, you can make use of show status. So the concatenated string will be displayed at show status. Let us see how we are going to uh, compile it like the way we have done it. Say is Java C applet program.java applet viewer applet program.java. This will cause my program to execute and we will get this output. See, please have a look here. See, this is my status bar. So my string one was hello. String two was applet. So this is my parameter name, parameter value, parameter name, parameter value. I've extracted them using get parameter or मैंने वो show status में लिखा है. So it will get displayed at the status bar. So this is one example where we have seen how to pass a parameter to an applet and how to extract the parameter. Now, let us see another program wherein we can see the different methods. Drawing stuff. If I want to draw certain stuffs, so what are the different methods that I can make use of? Okay, so this is again same. See, if you can recall again, I'll come to this point. I'll come to this point. Now, why it is written in comments? It's like when we compile a Java C filename.java, then my Java compiler will come into picture. And for Java compiler, these are comments. So it will ignore it. Whatever we have written, these two lines, whatever we have written in comments will be ignored by Java compiler. It will compile the Java code. But when we run it, we use applet viewer filename.java. Now, what happens is my Java compiler will create a .class file. Now, those .class file must be uploaded and executed in my applet viewer or browser. So when I write applet viewer filename.java, then my applet viewer only understands these two lines. So these two lines will come into force, will come into action when I use applet viewer filename.java. And I have written code equal to drawing stuff. I can write drawing stuff.class also, because at the end of the day, it is the .class file which get executed on browser or applet viewer. Now, what I've done is in paint method, I'm using in paint method, we are using different graphics methods. See, all these methods will be invoked using G. So this will set the background white. Then we created a color object, RGB. So our red component is 255, and this component can have a value 0 to 255. So maximum value is 255. So when I say I created a color object, color class belongs to AWT package. This color class will belongs to AWT package. So color C1 equal to new color, R is 255, means, and G and B are 0. So it will be a red color. So C1 is basically a red color. And I'm setting the color as C1. So now after set color, what I'm drawing, hello everyone, at 10,10, this will be displayed in red color. I'm creating another color, C2, G, green. Now what will happen is, this is RGB, it will be green color. So the color set will be green color. So a line that will be drawn will be of green color. So when I say line, it is from X, Y to another X, Y, like X1, Y1 to X2, Y2. It will draw a line from X1, Y1 to X2, Y2. Now, we have many more methods. See. Then I can directly set the color using color dot dark gray. And color dot dark gray means dark gray is a constant value for a color. See, in color class, we have constant value associated with every color. We don't have to remember the integer values, so we can directly call them by name, like dark gray. Here we use blue, pink, red, black. So we can set the color. After this dark gray, I'm displaying a fill rect. To fill rect is what? It is X, Y, and this is width and height. So from, it is like this, from 10, 50, draw a rectangle of width 50 and height 50. This will be fill rect, and it will be filled with color gray. And draw rect will draw a simple rectangle. It won't be filled from position 80, 50, width 60, height 40. Fill oval has 4 coordinates, 80, 100, 50, 25. So basically fill oval means what? It is a coordinates, it is the parameters for rectangle. So it's basically an oval. Now what is oval? It is oval which is filled within a rectangle. So this is major axis, minor axis. So major axis is like width of the rectangle, and minor axis is like height of the rectangle. So it will draw a rectangle, draw an oval that can fit into the rectangle of the coordinates. Similarly, this will be a filled oval. So it will be filled with color. This is draw oval. It will simply draw an oval, and we can draw arc with X, Y, with height. And this is start angle and arc angle. Start angle means, see, when we go anti-clockwise it is positive, when we go clockwise it is negative. So 0, 90, 180, 270, and if you go like this, 0, minus 90, minus 180, minus 270. So what it said, my start angle is 90. So I am going to start here. I'm going to start from this position 90 and minus 180. Minus 180 means I'm going to go clockwise. So minus 180. So this is the arc that I can see using draw arc. So let us see the output when I execute this. I mean, these are the methods, and there are many more methods. I just wanted you to understand that these are methods using which you can draw some stuff on Applet. Let us see. See, we have a string, we have a line, we have, this is fill rect, this is draw rect, this is fill oval, this is fill arc. We have an arc, but it is filled with color. This is fill oval, this is draw arc, this is draw oval. So you can see the output, and so these are few methods that we have gone through. There are many more methods, and these are few basic concepts of Applet. For detail, you can always refer Java to Complete Reference by Herbert Schmidt. Thank you very much. Happy learning.